good, masters? Welcome to another episode. We got another box, so let's open it up and see what's inside. So we're going to measure the size of this pizza cover. Now that we've put the pizza cover on this grill, I can see that it makes complete sense because the back is closed and the front is open. So all the heat that is coming from the grill will go up against the top and then out on the front. Assembly looks quite easy. We have to put the barbecue thermometer on. So putting it together was really easy. We just had to screw it together, put the thermometer on, and we're done. Assembly time, piece of cake. Look at that. Now let's put her on the grill. We'll put on the pizza stone as well. You gotta make sure that the pizza stone is not all the way in the back because we need still a little bit of room to get the hot air over the pizza. Now let's fire up the grill because we need some time to preheat the stone and preheat this cover. The dough has been rising for 1.5 hours and it grew in size, well, basically at least double, but a little bit more than double. So we're just going to take it out. Look at how beautiful this pizza dough turned out. We put 200 grams of flour, 8 grams of yeast, add some salt, 150 milliliters of water. And we kneaded that for around 10 minutes until the dough turns soft. Now you really gotta look for the texture of the dough. When it's turning soft, then it's ready with kneading. And then you let the dough rest so it gets a chance to rise. Just put a little bit of flour on our surface. This will help it prevent a stick. And then what I like to do is roll my rolling pin over that surface, so you will get some flour on the rolling pin as well. We're gonna need half this size of dough. So we'll make this a bowl again. And the challenge always is making this into a round pizza. So what I like to do is stretch it a little bit with my hands. And then when we get to the part where we really want it thin, we'll get out a rolling pin. So now here's the trick for making pizza. Look, this is a very dry dough and you can see that it's not sticking to anything. And that's very good, but if you leave it on one area for too long, it will start sticking again. So what we're going to do is put a little bit of flour on our pizza peel. And this way it will be non-stick. But while you are preparing your pizza, you also want to keep moving it around every now and then, so it just moves the position a little bit and doesn't start to stick. Now we'll put on a little bit of passata, which basically is tomatoes that are sieved, and that makes them really soft. I'm going to spread that out over our pizza. Now we got a really screaming hot pizza oven created here, and I'm really impressed with that. I didn't expect it to become this hot, but it really did. So we'll still move our pizza around and then we'll put it into the... There we go. That's gonna be one tasty pizza. Move it around. Look at that. For the second part of cooking this thing, brush on a little bit of olive oil on the outside of the pizza, so we get this nice golden crust. So the pizza goes back on. So let's take off the pizza. Look at this, what a beauty. Absolutely gorgeous. Now I want to get some fresh basil on there. Get these leaves on. There we go. And what I want to do is like put on a thin sliced tomato. I got these nice tasty tomatoes. Guys, this pizza turned out amazing. The crust on this thing is absolutely super. And you can compare this to a wood fire oven. I'm loving this Muesta barbecue pizza cover because it makes a fantastic pizza. If you look at that crust, man, it's so crunchy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. See you guys next time. Until then, eet smakelijk.